Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So I'd like us to start analysis. I want us to start with the Euro USD. So this chart here, we've been looking for sell positions for some times now, because overall the trend was bearish. We had a very good downtrend. So we had a very good downtrend. We had a very good downtrend, and these are some of the few things that we had. So we had that, and then we had that, and then we had these are some of the shapes we had in the past. The reason I'm doing them now is not because they're important, but because they were important in the past. And if you learn how to draw them in the past, then you are likely going to learn how to draw them better even as they're developing currently. So we have that, and then we also have this one. So basically the trend is bearish. You can see that the price keeps breaking below these shapes. Like it broke below this one, it continued downwards. It went below this, it continued downwards. It went below this, it continued downwards. It went below this one, it went down but didn't go down as such. So as it is right now, this could still be a good sell, but I want to look for a sell when the price gets to this point here. This is where I'm seeing the possibility that the price may likely, actually the price hit that zone and went straight to the lower side. So this here is actually an ideal place to look for a sell from. If you're on this chart as we are speaking now, you're supposed to be expecting some pullback. That is, then today you expect that maybe the price may pull back and touch this line, so that you pick a sell position within these two lines. Your stop loss should be fixed at the high of this candle, and then your take profit should be somewhere here. So you sell within these two lines. You have your stop loss above the high of this candle, and then you have your take profit at this price here. Is that clear? Yeah, so you'll sell it, you have a stop loss, and then you have a take profit here. And the next chart is GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we expected the sellers to be in full control, but somehow the price just pulled back. The price keeps pulling back upwards, and currently it was not able to break above this level here. So I'm not saying this is a good place to sell it from, but if you sell it here, maybe you had some money. The best place I want to sell it from is from this point here. This is where I do expect that if the price can pull back up to, then this should give me the correct place to look for a sell from. So I'm still waiting to see what happens. I'm still waiting to see what happens. If the price pulls back and touches these two lines, I want us to look for a sell position from within these two lines. Have your stop loss above the high of this candle, then have your take profit somewhere here. Does that make sense? So you'll have your entry here, you have your stop loss here. If the price comes back and touches this point, you're supposed to look for a sell position from within those two lines. And in case the price breaks above it, the next place to look for a sell from is somewhere here. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is a very good uptrend. There are no signs for a sell as it is now. On this chart, I basically just want to see a clear breakout above this line here. So I'd like to see price clearly ascend and close above these two lines. That will be the indication that the price is actually continuing in that direction. So should the price ascend above these two lines, I want to see some pullback before it can extend to the upper side. But if the price bounces off from these two lines, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. Does that make sense? So this is my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I want us to have a look at, we'll look at gold. So gold is, we are in a retracement, the price is pulling back. I don't expect the price to close above this zone here. I'm saying this because that was a place which was broken before. So we had like a resistance, a support, a support, a support, a support, a support, a support. There is that breakout. Currently the price is below these two lines. So if the price can pull back, you're supposed to look for a sell where the price is now. You may sell it there, have your stop loss above the high of that candle, then have your take profit somewhere here. So you can sell it when the price gets where the price is now, have your stop loss there, and then have your take profit here. I'm saying that because this is like just a very good support. It has been broken, the price is below it. We expect the sellers to push it down at least up to this point here. So that is my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is the SP 500. Also here looks like we have a very good pullback. You can see that here. If you take this as a support, you take this as a support, we have a support, we have a support, there is a breakout. The price has pulled back significantly, so this here we can sell it where the price is now, have your stop loss above the high of that candle, then have your take profit somewhere here. So you can sell it, stop loss, and then the take profit is here. Does that make sense? Does it make sense? So you can sell it even as you're speaking now, have your stop loss as I've said. The next chart is Brent oil. Here we are waiting for a buy. This is a good place. If you bought it here, you are very good now, because you can see that the price has gone up as we expected it. We are still expecting the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to this line. This is a very good resistance level. If this resistance is violated, then we do expect the price to extend upwards up to the next target, which is this one here. So ideally we are upwards up to this point. If this level is broken, the next target is the line we have at the top here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you, and see you.